Hello, so in this video we are going to show you how to import your data. So unless you have any integration which will sync whatever customers you have, items that you have, or our types that you might have, then you need to import using our import module. And this module is available from this menu, company and import data. So once you come over to this part, and I have already shown this in a video, but I'm going to show you how to do it actually, what kind of information you need to have and what file type you need. Then from here you can just follow the steps, and it's actually very straightforward. So I have two files here which are items. You already seen this in another video, like I said. So how do I import data? So I just have my columns here already with this information, and this is actually the column which says ID, item ID in this case, and I also have a column which says the description for that item and the type of unit and the sale price, and a little bit more detail or more info about that product. So that's it. So all you need is an Excel file with everything that you need, that you have on your ERP system or in your invoicing software, and you just export to an Excel file, and you have to manipulate the data so it has this kind of columns. That's it. One thing I need to tell is that if there is a column or a space in between the next one, then the system will actually not import these items over here. So you can't have spaces or rows without any information. Okay, so this is for items catalog, and let me show you the other file, which is customers catalog. So in my video, in the old video that I show you, by accident I import data and I mapped the wrong column. So I mapped the zip code with the city. My mistake. Anyways, so it's actually easy to fix that, and I would only have to import all over again, and it would automatically update all the fields on the OutSmart. Anyways, so I have deleted all the accounts, all the customers and items from my account, and I will show you that in a minute. So the customers catalog is exactly the same thing as items. So as you can see, there's no much more, and you can have more columns if you want, and you can decide if you are going to use that column or not with OutSmart. So let's jump to OutSmart now, and I'm already here. So I'm going to select this customers catalog, and now I'm going to move forward. Now I'm going to map my columns which I have on OutSmart with the columns that I have on the Excel file. So these are the columns that I have on my Excel file. So now I'm going to say, okay, name, it will be obviously the entity name. Debitor number will be the customer ID. Address, it will be the address. House number, zip code, it will be the zip, and the city, it will be the city this time. Contact person or person of contact, mobile, email, and email again. Okay, so I don't have much more here to map, so I'm going, I'm happy with this, and that's it. So if I go now to my CRM and click on customers overview, there you go. Everything is in place, just like I have it in my Excel file. And now this time I actually imported correctly the city. So that's it. That's how you import your data. Okay, very straightforward, very simple. I hope you enjoyed this movie, or this video in this case, and if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.